but no damage underneath. It's all good. A little bit of scraping. Got most of these spot welds drilled out. We got some more to do on the frame rail. Got the subframe pretty much dropped, brake line pulled. Just kind of, we're gonna cut it over here. Some more spot welds to drill in there. Alright guys, so we almost got this whole section removed. We got it all separated all throughout here. We got it cut up here, and then we also have it cut down there. Can't really see it because it's kind of closed up now. We've been pulling on it, trying to make sure it's separated. We still got more to do around here. My dad's gonna keep air chiseling and going at this thing for a little bit, and I'm gonna go mow the lawn. The grass is getting tall, so I'll take you along for that, and we're gonna cut the grass.
gosh, dude. Snake skin.
Two 2,000 years later.
Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little update on this Ridgeline, where we've gotten so far. We're working on the second shell now. Just getting all the spot welds drilled out. Gotten pretty good at this. We know all the spot welds we got to get at. My dad's been working on this side. Been plugging away at it. We still got a long way to go. If anybody needs the subframe and rear diff and axles and all that whole assembly, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Also the back window if you need it. We got the damaged part of the frame off, and over here went ahead and just cut that off, and let's go take a look at the rest. We were trying to get the new used doors hung, but we didn't get that far yet.
Yeah, but we ain't done working yet.
And yeah, got the whole section of the truck off now. So
look how dirty Grandpa's hands are.
I think we're probably gonna call it a day here. Maybe drill some more spot welds and stuff, and that's gonna be a wrap. All right. All right, guys. I just wanted to thank everyone for watching. I'd like to thank all 47 of you for being subscribed to my channel. And we just got done doing a bunch of work. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna try to vlog a little more, being that this whole crisis is going on in the country. I don't know. I don't personally know anybody that has the crisis, but I don't know. But anyways, let's talk about the projects. So the F-150, finished that a while ago now. It's probably put I don't know, probably about 200 miles on it now, and it's no check engine lights, no problems, runs perfect, all because of those isolator bolts. I did have a mechanic do a bunch of work on it a while back, did the whole intake and everything, and I got it back from them, and still kind of had a little bit of a problem, and it was always those isolator bolts. So you know, anyhow, so that's that. F-150 works great, the AC is working great, the Lancer's filthy and needs a wash, but it still runs great, doesn't have any issues. I need to change the horn, and I also need to change the climate control unit in it, because the climate control is stuck on cold, and I need to cycle it to the heat to get the system to burp, because I think it does have an air bubble in it from where I drained the radiator from doing the water pump. But other than that, that thing's running great. Still has no check engine lights or anything like that. You know, you guys have a lot of kind things to say that motivate me to keep making more videos. So you know, if you have any questions or comments, you know, leave them down below. And you know, if you can like the video, that'd be awesome. Really helps me understand what kind of content you guys want to see. Let me know below if you want to see me start throwing things off the lift. My brother, he thinks it'd be a good idea if we just started dropping things off the lift for fun. I don't know. Any other ideas you guys might have, let me know in the comments. And you know, as always, y'all have a good day and be safe.